Two-step verification is vital for account security because, unfortunately, it's common for third parties to steal emails and passwords or run automated attacks on online accounts. Two-step verification makes it more difficult for unauthorized individuals to access your account by adding a step after you log in, where you input a verification code to confirm that it is you and this is an authorized sign-in. In this video, we'll guide you through the setup process and explore the account page. Let's get started. To start, on the left menu, select Settings and then Profile and Security. When you click Edit next to your profile or Manage next to your security settings, it will open the account page. On the security page, you can change your login email, account verification phone number, and password. Most importantly, you can enable two-step verification. Click Setup and enter your password for authentication. Next, choose how you would like to receive your verification code when you sign in. You can use an authentication app like Authy, Duo, or Google Authenticator, or receive the code in an automated text message. For this demonstration, we'll use text message verification. Confirm this phone number is correct and able to receive text messages, and click Next. After a few moments, you'll receive a text message with your security code. Enter the security code here. Next, you can turn on email backup. This is optional, but recommended, because if for some reason you can't access your mobile phone, you can have your verification code sent to your account email. Congratulations, your two-step verification setup is complete. You can disable it anytime here on the account security page. The next time you log in, you'll encounter the two-step verification process. After signing in, the security page will ask you for the verification code to confirm this is an approved sign-in attempt. You'll automatically be sent a new code via text message, email, or authentication app notification. Enter this new code to verify your login. You can choose to remember your device for 30 days to avoid having to verify each time you sign in. Thank you for enabling two-step verification for your SimplePractice account. Your data security is our priority. If you have any questions or need assistance, please reach out to our support team. Stay safe and secure.